Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my new video. Today I created this look using beautiful green shades. I never really actually wear green on my eyes, but every time I do it, I'm like, So yeah, I tried some new products out today, a lot of drugstore as well, a bit more expensive ones as well, but it's all about the balance because I'm a Libra. That didn't make sense at all. Anyways, if you're wondering how to create this look, then keep on watching. So let's get into it and let's do some makeup. So today I'm actually going to do makeup that is a little bit inspired by like typical celebrity makeup. It's not going to be a recreation of someone else's makeup. It's just going to be, I don't know, this clean red carpet ready, maybe smoky eye. I think smoky eye look. So yeah, I'm excited. So as you can see, I already did my brows and I put some concealer on my eyeballs to function as an eye base. And I actually wanted to dress a little bit more fancy, do my hair and stuff. And then I thought I actually want to just chill. I want this video to be very relaxing, very chilled out. I don't know why my voice is cracky, probably because I'm a bit tired of traveling, I have to say. But yeah, while I'm home for 3 days, I thought let's just film some tutorials because I'm behind, you know. So I got this palette from Natasha Denona. This is the Metropolis palette, and how gorgeous is this palette? I haven't tried it yet, but I can't imagine Natasha Denona's palettes failing me. So I'm going to use a little bit of eyeshadow. I'm not going to do anything crazy, but a little bit more. Why do I always talk so freaking much and just not start with the tutorial? I'm going to start right now. So while I was in Gran Canaria, we went to this club and there was this song. I don't want to play it because of copyright, but it's called, it's a Spanish song obviously, and it is called Cuaderno from Daleks, Nicky Jam, Justin, blah blah blah. Cuaderno with a C. Love that song. So I don't know. So I'm going to use this brush. It's a bit dirty, but whatever. This is Sigma Taper Blending Brush in E35. And let's go in. Oh, these are pretty warm colors, actually. I didn't want to use too warm. I'm actually going to go in with this one, which is called Pure. That one. And I'm just going to put this into the crease. The crease is on fire. Okay, so I have to admit I'm a bit tired of traveling. Not tired of the job I have because I still really love what I do. I actually thought I was like pretty done with doing someone else's makeup, you know, because I did that when I was a bit younger and I kind of had it, you know. I just didn't want to do it anymore. And now I feel like, yeah, a bit different when you do it like for TV and stuff like that or for shoots, but I actually enjoy it more. I really like looking at the end result and, you know, being proud of myself. I actually could do like an ASMR video. What do you guys think? Should I do like an ASMR video with eyeshadows? Anyways, let me know because I don't really understand. I do understand ASMR, but I never feel the thing you're supposed to feel watching ASMR videos. But I do get relaxed sometimes. The only thing that makes me so angry are eating sounds. I can't listen to those. Maybe I should like give it one more try, but I just feel like, no, it's just gross. But with other things, I get it. You get a bit more relaxed with the sounds and stuff like that. It's kind of like the saying when you're in your attic and then you just hear raindrops, you know. But I do think I would be pretty good at it, like making the videos. But you guys have to let me know if you like it or not. Why is my voice like this today? And then usually I would just go in with a darker color and then darken up the crease and blah, blah, blah. Today I'm actually going to do something different. I'm going to try to say actually, and I feel like I'm just going to abandon those words from my channel, which is probably not possible, but we'll see. I'm going to use this beautiful dark, very dark green color. I'm actually going to use a little bit of concealer just because we're going to focus on the outsides and the under eye area. This is Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer, which I'm really, really into, and I really love the foundation as well. And this is the shade Medium Tan in 16. It's a beautiful full shade. Okay, and I'm just going to focus on the outer corners. Like that. I'm just creating a V shape. So as you can see, I'm not blending anything yet. I'm just applying it by tapping the eyeshadow into the skin. Now with my Morphe M513, I'm just going to blend the edges of this eyeshadow. Doesn't have to be perfect. I just want this look to be mostly smoky on the outside and then kind of like keep it simple on the inside. Wow. That blends so beautifully. This is typical Natasha Denona when it comes to that blend and pigment. I'm just going to build this up until I'm satisfied with how it looks. Okay, once I smoked out the outer corners, I know this doesn't look pretty yet. I'm going in with Orium, which is this beautiful color right here. It is a very different color because when I look at it like this, it looks purple, and now it looks green and gold and silver and champagne kind of color. It looks beautiful. So I'm just going to use this a little bit on my eyes like that. How beautiful is this color? Same on the lower lash line. So before I'm going to move on with the eyes, I'm quickly going to do my base, and I'm actually going to use this foundation from Jouer. I got a package full of these mini foundations. Honestly, I prefer this over, you know, getting the whole PR package with 50 shades of foundation. And if you are like a professional makeup artist, that can be a good thing. Now I feel like, okay, it's a good thing because I can use it more often for if I have to do like a cover shoot makeup or TV or whatever. But apart from that, I just feel like this is so much better because otherwise it's just a waste of everything, literally. Okay, this might be a good match. Let's see, this is Golden Sand. Okay, so this is so extremely full coverage that even though if I would have like a good match, it would still look a bit weird. Okay, take two. I changed my opinion and I am going in with this foundation, and this is such a natural foundation. Usually I'm a bit more, little bit like, I would say medium coverage girl slash medium slash full coverage girl. But I really love this one. This is the Bear With Me foundation from NYX Cosmetics. So it doesn't look like foundation. It's almost like a tinted moisturizer. But I do think because my skin is, you know, pretty okay, I do think I don't really need that much full coverage. I mean, that foundation looked terrible. I do think it's because of the shade, but still I really didn't like how it looked. And this is so sheer. It doesn't matter if it's a bit darker because it's going to give you that very warm glow. So yeah, I'm just going to apply this on my face. To contour my face, I'm going to use Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer in Butterscotch. This is a pretty warm contour, but I'm only going to use the tiniest bit. Okay, back to the eyes. I am going to warm up the eyeshadow a little bit more by using this color right here. Just a tiny bit because I don't want my eyelids to look lighter than my base. I'm going to intensify my outer corners a bit more. So I checked this color out and I thought it was black, but apparently it's this beautiful, is this called emerald green? I think so. But anyways, I'm going to darken up the outer corners. Oh my God, my hands are all dirty now. And just intensify it. Okay, so I'm going to put the lightest color mixed with this beautiful golden color in my inner corners. To bronze up the face, I'm going to use the bronzer from Urban Decay in Beached. And this is a big fluffy brush from BH Cosmetics. So I don't want to have anything precise, just a little bit more natural looking. I want this look to be very dewy, so I'm going to use NARS Orgasm on my face. Haven't done a dewy look in a while. Like that. For blush, I'm going to use this Sunset Glow highlighter powder from Bobbi Brown. It's actually a highlighter slash blush, but I'm going to use it as a blush lash highlighter. Just a bit of pink on my cheeks. Okay, so on my lips, I want to go something for very soft, almost like baby pink kind of color. So I'm going to use the Sigma liquid lipstick in Behold. I do find the usual liquid lipsticks, this one is a new one, so I don't know if the formula has changed or not, but I do find them a little bit drying. So maybe I'll have to go in with a gloss or a bit more of a moisturizing lipstick. So I'm going to use the Morphe, what was it? Makeup Talk? Yeah, Makeup Talk lip liner. Okay, and then just the tiniest bit of this liquid lip. It's actually very moisturizing. Maybe I tried an old one from Sigma, but till now it's quite moisturizing actually for a liquid lip. Okay, now I'm just going to tightline real quick, and then I'm going to add some mascara, and then I'll be back to show you the end result. So I've applied the mascara. The mascara that I've used is Unlimited Mascara from L'Oreal Paris. And then I've applied a little bit of this crayon from Nabla Cosmetics. And I think this is a really nice one. I'm really starting to love Nabla Cosmetics. And I was not really into them just because I thought they were a bit more of a smaller brand. And I never really saw anything super special or got curious until they sent me their PR package and I tried some things out, and I really love them now. So this is pretty much what I had in mind. I know it's a bit of a more of a summer look, but I do think like with a white sweater it can look very interesting for winter as well. And also it's super easy, so even if you have like two eyeshadows, you can just put the darkest color a little bit more towards the outside of the eye so you can get like an almond shape. But yeah, my skin honestly looks unreal, and I do have to use this one from Bobbi Brown Sunset Glow way more often because it looks unreal. So yeah, I'm really liking it. I hope you guys like this look as well. Let me know if you guys would wear something like this. I think this is a look straight out of a magazine. Don't you guys think? Did I just give myself a compliment? I think I did. Also, let me know if you want to see ASMR videos, and yeah, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell. I would really appreciate it if you follow me on Instagram as well, which is Dilan Sabah, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.